Good morning. So today we are making the extra frames for our windows to get those watertight, and so it's gonna be some inox welding and painting, and then hopefully the goal for this week is to have all those 6 windows in, which will be a good challenge. So I'm looking forward to have the windows in, finally.
These are the inner frames for the windows. So the window is going to be sandwiched between 2 chrome steel frames, and as you can see, this is a frame. We have a list of very exact measurements here. And I have a stack of chrome steel that I will have to cut to size.
Shortly explain you how we make the tornillos, the bolts for the windows, because you need like 5 centimeter long and 5 bolts, so not screws but bolts, so without a head. So we have those 1 meter pieces, and we just cut them into pieces, and we have this special installation for this here. So I put this here, then I cut here, and then it goes further. It's the Easter weekend, so don't go search for Easter eggs, but for bolts. So the second step is to round up the cutting edges with the flat disc. So that's the result, and that was the Tornillo factory. So let me confess something here. While in our videos things seem to happen one after each other and the first step followed nicely by the second, in real life it's way more chaotic. To make you understand our jobs or projects, we try to edit the videos nicely chronological and put the consecutive jobs right after each other. Here, that wasn't possible. When we had the parts for the chrome steel frames ready, they laid around for some days until they got welded into an actual frame by Peter. And on that day, when that happened, the camera was somehow on holidays and didn't capture anything of it, sadly. So after we had those extra frames, had drilled holes in it and made threads, all of which is a lot of fun to do with hard chrome steel, we fitted all the inner and outer frames together with the acrylic glass into kind of a sandwich. Of course, not all the holes were aligning nicely, so that needed again some adjustment.
Das passt nicht.
Was?
Das passt nicht.
Lass doch mal reden. Nee. Warte mal, ganz, halt du mal bitte. Lass mal gucken, wo das nicht passt. Das kann der Rahmen ist, der Außenrahmen. Der muss kleiner werden. Wenn wir ihn jetzt nach innen versetzt haben, dann. So. Da, guck, da ist er. Der Rahmen. Der muss kleiner, muss kleiner, muss kleiner.
So these windows really cost us a lot of patience and nerves, and also a lot of time. But now join me again when we see if these window frame sandwiches fit into the frames in the hull. So we're at the windows again and are trying to make them fit perfectly before we glue them together, so that these preset windows that we did yesterday fit in perfectly into the frame. Good morning there.
Hello.
Are you playing the bongo?
No.
Okay. So let's see if that one fits.
Bit more? Everywhere a bit more? Just push? Yeah, yeah. It looks alright. It should be, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, all in.
So after a million adjustments, they all fitted and were ready to be glued together.
Hey! Are you filming me?
Join us next time for loads of Sika flicks. See you!